Welcome to the MPack 233A installation tutorial. Before beginning installation, ensure all operations are performed by professional and qualified electrical technicians who are familiar with the local standards and safety regulations. During installation, always wear personal protective equipment and use insulated tools. Before installation, carefully check the equipment to ensure the model matches the order, all components are complete, and there is no damage. If any issues are found, contact the after-sales service center promptly. Once the equipment is in place, begin installing the enclosure panels. First, install the front and rear panels, then secure the left and right side panels. Make sure each panel is fixed using the correct bolts and fasteners. Now, proceed with the electrical connections. Ensure all cables are connected correctly and securely using appropriate cables and connectors. Pay special attention to the grounding wire and electrical connections to prevent any electrical faults. After connecting all cables, perform a power-on test. First, ensure the emergency stop button is released and all power switches are in the off position. Then, sequentially turn on the AC and DC circuit breakers and observe if the equipment starts up normally. The MPack 233A is equipped with an intuitive local touchscreen and cloud platform, allowing you to easily monitor system status, view alarm logs, adjust settings, and manage device operations. After the installation is complete, close the equipment door and store the keys safely. If everything is normal, the device will begin operating.